I want you to swing it this time. Swing it. You in camera case?
I know. Do it, please, right.
Cloud in the shape of a killer shark.
It somehow touched a nerve that I didn't know that I had touched, of deep fear in people, some sort of atavistic sense of the terror that is inexpressed about being eaten.
It made you think about the possibility of something like that actually happening to you.
And I used to always look at the sea to see the jaws, always expecting a big shark to come.
I go to the beach, but I won't go in the water.
At home, I have a composite of political cartoons from all over the world. Jaws, 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 Jaws. Everything was Jaws. It was like a whirlwind.
Call Chief Brody. Base clear.
Oh no. Shark! And it's the biggest one I've ever seen! Missed again! Amity 6 of base, somebody tell Chief Brody we're gonna have to wait in the boathouse till it gets here.
You all were great.
Awesome.
Yeah?
Great.
Did you see the shark?
Yeah.
Tell us about the shark.
Big. Came right at us.
It's the best I have seen yet.
Very beautiful, very nice.
C'est très bon, oui, c'est merveilleux.
Très bon, c'est merveilleux. Très, très bien.
This one screamed all the way through.
Oh man, it was fabulous.
It was fun.
White House Blue Door Lawnmower. That's the home of our very own Chief of Police, Martin Brody. Yeah, Brody really did blow up that shark and became a legend in his own time. How many people here saw the film?
Mayday! Big three! Nothing out there! I don't know what! Good! Help! 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 It's going good!
Amity 6 to base, could you copy that last transmission? It sounded like Gordon out on Amity 3, over. Base?
10-4, we copied. He can't be too far away. He was headed back in. We're picking up his distress signal now. Keep an eye out for him. I'll call Chief Brody. Base clear.
10-4. Folks, sounds like one of our boats ran into a little bit of trouble, but I'm sure it's nothing to worry about. We'll continue with our tour. Oh man, I don't believe this. What happened? Amity 6 to base. Amity 3 is sinking out here by the lighthouse. I don't see any signs of survivors. I don't know what could have hit that except a shark.
Amity 6, repeat that?
A shark! The biggest one I've ever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, base. He went under the boat. What's up?
Try the grenade launcher. Over.
Wait, you mean this thing is really loaded? Shoot. Oh man, this again? We can't stay here. This is Amity 6. Tell Chief Brody we're gonna wait in the boathouse until he gets here. Okay. Alright, let's see, where can we tie up? Oh man, that's disgusting. Hello, anybody here? Oh man, where is everybody? They're supposed to be. Oh man, that's him! We gotta go! Oh no. The boat won't jump into gear! Oh, come on, man, this isn't funny! Come on. Right, I got it. Hang on, everybody. We're out of here. Oh, you guys see the size out there?
Amity 6, this is Chief Brody. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? We're all gonna be shark bait in 10 minutes. All right, where is he? I don't see him. Whoa! Uh-oh. This is bad. Oh, man, this is really bad. All right. We gotta go for it. Oh, yes, we made it. Okay, hang on, everybody. We should be okay. We'll try to get over this old fishing dock up here. We'll unload one load at a time. After me, of course. You guys on the left-hand side, watch out for this high-voltage bars. Remain seated. I think we're here. Oh, no. Look. That thing's disgusting. We really rusted up there. Man, what a day.
Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck are you? This is Brody. Are you all right?
Base. Chief, this is Amity 6. Call off those Marines. We're coming home. Yeah. Woo, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you for your incredible bravery out there today, but you know, we really don't need to tell anyone what actually happened out there, folks. Word of this fish episode leaks out, and that's into Captain Jake and all the businesses on the island, so keep it to yourselves. After all, we got him, didn't we? Yeah, what a lively...